meets the tiger. Richard, the tiger mafia. Even mafias need to relax.
Even mafias need to relax.
My brother. Where's the bitch?
Who's the bitch? Rockstone oo ka baxay Rockstone ma guursaday Rockstone ma YouTube iska dhaafay su'aalo badan ahaya ma jawaabahoodu you guys gonna see today. So anyway, the main thing waxa waaye Rockstone alhamdulillah waa caafimaad qaba and it's right here as you can see when hor fadhiya maanto. It's gonna be the biggest comeback. Nana ang donfara ku jiro. Donfara ku jiro. Alo saka skri. Yeah. I think at the beginning, I just become a vegan person. I don't eat hilib. Somali gugure no vegan. Ooh, that's actually big news. Just come on, just. What up, my best beautiful people. Are you guys doing another beautiful day? It's good to be back, my beautiful people. As you can see, today is going to be a biggest comeback. Yeah, so I know it's so sad. Many of you guys asking me, Rockstone, I'll keep on YouTube is gonna anyway, so I'll extend body like that's a memes. And as you can see, I'm here. Alhamdulillah, warto caafimaad qaba. Secondly, ma guursanin. But inshallah, one day, I hope. Thirdly, YouTube is gonna no, because YouTube is gonna happen. Howlahaygi ayaa sii siyaaday, shaqooyinkayga ayaa sii batay. Oo alhamdulillah, maalmihian intaan YouTube ka maqnaayna waxyaabo badan ayaa ii hirgalay. Alhamdulillah, I'm very very happy wallahi. Waxyaabo badan ayaa ii hirgalay oo aan haminay for waqti dheer. قداشين وحفرتي شركة دان فرتي which calls Rockstone Production وحفلتها أرسلها everything حيسين نداء so it's actually it's going to be international soon ما شاء الله so وحياباس هولها سايمكم مشغول سنة لكن وايدين صبغي كنا I'm gonna try انتو قم معقول سن أو قم بيمسن أو عن وقت جاي إيدين كذي كرمر والبين عن إيدين كذي ما beautiful people because you guys are the best beautiful بعد ما أنتو قف كمية أصحابتي العيا بقول سيدنا الreaction كبيو this film all ده هايو who killed Captain Alex which is African movie like Ugandese why I don't know I haven't watched it but it's like working good and I hope we don't look well or funny because we all need something and for the qosolka waxa lagu jira fintra lagu jira wa qorax ma jirto depression we all need something that naga qosolsiyo and I hope hadii qosol diyaar u tahay stay tuned right here my beautiful people but before intaan ugu dagalin halkan mujeda. This is my Instagram and meeshasna riix lisa igula socota ana aan kugula socdo that we can be together in this journey. So my beautiful people, waxa la dhahaa who killed Captain Alex. waxaan reaction ka bixinayna maanta waa markii ugu horreysay oo reaction ka bixinay African filmanta Africa movies or funny things. Like hadii ahaysid any kind of ideas ama filmaan oo waxyaabo noocan oo kale hala xishoonin, send me the link hoos igu soo qor ama Instagram kayga halkaan aan kugu soo qoray igu soo qor. So waxa suura waa qalad, let's get it on.
It's our Hollywood feeding move. Who killed the Captain Alex? The Ugandan first action-packed movie. Who killed the Captain Alex? This is Captain Alex, Uganda's best soldier. Only Alex can stop the mafias and kill them forever. Will you marry me? I prefer men.
My brother, will you marry me? No, I prefer men. That was actually sick, Lendo. Let's go.
What? No! Come back! We love you, we love you! I love it. Part of Africa. I want dancing cows. Beautiful cows. And here, we build football pitch. I'm making German food.
We make German food. What kind of... Come on.
German food? Yeah, we found German tourists. We're cooking them. Oh, very, 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 very good. Delicious. Serve with the head, like predator. So jealous. But they are surrounded by the enemy. Sing Don Patton. We love Don Patton. Are you crazy? That's my wife. Get off my wife. Wife? I thought that is a god.
I thought that was a... Come on. I love African people. Wallahi al-alim. These kind of movies are so funny though.
Combat, Captain Alex. Who you? Now you're gonna see. This is how we do action in Uganda. The Ugandan commando. Who killed the Captain Alex is the movie.
Who knows?
Production in action. Kaiga Mafia. The most deadliest gang in Uganda. They walk slow. Cause they think slow.
They walk slow. They think it's slow. Fun. Thank you though. Qofka isoo diray filmka anaga ma celina. This was so funny though. Let's go.
Slow but sure. Mafioso. He's holding a dangerous weapon. Commandos. Deadly commandos. Tiger Mafia. Super kicker.
Cool.
Around. Movie. Contagious. Jesus. Commando. You are watching Who Killed the Captain Alex.
We all know that.
The first feature in English ever. This is how we enjoy movies in Uganda.
This is how we enjoy movie in Uganda. Come on. Look at this though. Wallahi al-alim. This is a natural comedian though. We really, really need this kind of thing though. Let's go.
And now, Captain Alex, the musical. This music is good. Commando. Action is coming. What the?
Action is coming. What the? This is wicked though.
Wait. This is serious. Everybody in Uganda must kung fu. The movie.
Everybody in Uganda must kung fu. This guy is funny as hell though.
The movie's on. The tiger is in the cage. Hello. Super fighter. Action-packed movie. From Hollywood and Tete. VJM on the microphone. Expect the unexpected. Mamma mia. This is VJM live from Kampala, Uganda. Watch this. Super Mafia. Rapid action. I wanna go. He knows the way.
He knows the way.
Using a gun. Commando. Mommy, I'm scared. Move it. The Panther meets the Tiger. Richard, the Tiger Mafia. Even the Mafias need to relax.
Even mafias need to relax.
My brother. Where's the bitch?
Who's the bitch?
Where's the bitch?
Come on, that line was so good though.
Come up here. My brother. Bastard. Remember, she's here to kidnap Alex. I'm so scared. Captain Alex is there. Oh my god. Now a super kung fu master's here.
Hey.
Not him. Him. From Ugandan Shaolin Temple. Now expect the unexpectable.
Oh, come on.
Mafia. Did you beat the rat? Did you?
Then who killed Captain Alex? Who?
Mission Vengeance. Action-packed movie. Ugandan kiss.
I love it. You got that kiss. Pa! Wah!
Please, I need vengeance. Hotel Kampala.
Hoi.
Time for exercise. A master from Southern Hemisphere
Oh yeah, yeah.
of Uganda. Ugandan
Bruce Lee.
We call him Bruce
You want a Bruce Lee? Come on.
you. He just want to be alone to focus on vengeance. But first, he needs to eat. A supermaster of kung fu. A supermaster of cooking. Dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Woman. Next time for your mouth. On is the movie. He does not need wings to fly. Bruce you. What the fuck, Richard? The Tiger Mafia. My brother, I want my brother.
Yimuka! Wait!
I want my brother.
Mkanda wake!
I want my brother.
Wake! Wake! Nitakala mkanda wake!
I want my brother.
Kulu tini nitakala mkanda wake!
Welcome to Uganda.
Yeah.
She was caught watching Nigerian movies.
She was caught to watch Nigerian movie. Oh my goodness, my African people. That's what you call a natural comedian though. Oh my.
This is Uganda. We watch Wakari Wood. She's serious. I'll never watch Nollywood again. Please. He fights drugs and uses drugs. If you are enjoying Who Killed Captain Alex, watch out for Bad Black. See Mzungu getting beaten. Aaron Sally Starling. Coming soon, Bad Black. Don't miss it. Now it's time to see real action. Feature him in the MIC. Another mafia on the mission. Super biker. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs, come on. Galole, dinosaurs. Mama.
Tiger Mafia Commando. Get ready. Tighten your seat belts. He is Bruce you. Now it's time to prove it. Here for revenge. Super kicker. One hell of a fighter. Warrior. Super tough. Super deadly. The Ugandan first action-packed movie. Who Killed Captain Alex is the movie. Best action-packed movie ever. Super tough soldiers on the mission. Commandos. He is a master of his own destiny. Super tough. Mafia. Hello. The military is here. Oh. Like mafias has good panties. Oh. Like mafias has good panties.
Tiger Mafia has a good panties. That was the. Oh my goodness. Wallahi, so costly. This is. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This was so really good though. Anyway, as you can see, so and I hope I can because oh my goodness. Thank you so much. This was so really funny though. When it comes to the African movie or African comedian thing, like marka ay timaado filmaanta yararka oo Africa, that is really really funny though. But anyway, beautiful people, hadii ay haysi filmaan noocan oo kaleeta, please send me iyo waxyaabo qosol sidaan oo kale send me. This is really good though. I wasn't even expecting in ay sidaan dhan u noqonayso wax oo yani san iga qoslisiyo. Really good. So anyway, thank you for watching. Aad baan u mahadsantihiin my beautiful people. So see you the next episode. Wrup.